Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we dive into the best gear to make your kitchen life awesome. Today, I'm super excited to talk about the Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro. If you're dreaming of smoothies, sauces, and frozen treats like a pro without the hassle, this smart machine might be your perfect match. Stick around and grab it at the best price using the Amazon link in the description. Let's blend in. Let's break down the features that make the Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro stand out. This fully automatic blender is designed for everyday use with a 72-ounce pitcher, perfect for family-sized batches. It has a powerful 1400 peak watt motor that handles tough ingredients like ice, nuts, and fibrous veggies with ease. The built-in Smart Torque and Smart Detect technology automatically adjusts power and time for consistent results, no matter the load. You get 6 one-touch programs: smoothie, frozen drink, ice crush, chop, puree, and extract, plus manual controls for custom blends. The tamper pushes ingredients down without stopping, and the stack and snap assembly makes setup quick. The sealed leak-resistant pitcher keeps messes contained, and all parts, the pitcher, lid, and blades, are dishwasher safe for simple cleanup. It comes with a 24-ounce single-serve cup and lid for on-the-go blending, plus a recipe guide. The black and silver finish is sleek and durable, fitting any kitchen. The 2023 model includes enhanced sensors for better detection. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, this blender is a fantastic value at around $150, offering pro-level performance without breaking the bank. The 72-ounce pitcher is ideal for families, and the 1400-watt motor crushes ice and blends greens smoothly. The Smart Detect tech takes the guesswork out, and the one-touch programs make it beginner-friendly. Customers love the tamper. One reviewer said it blends thick smoothies perfectly without stopping. The dishwasher-safe parts save time, and the compact design stores easily. It's quiet during operation, and the single-serve cup is great for personal drinks. The 1-year warranty adds peace of mind, and it's versatile for recipes like nut butters, soups, or frozen margaritas. On the con side, the 72-ounce pitcher might be too large for solo users, taking up counter space. Some users note it struggles with very small batches in the big pitcher, so the cup helps. The plastic pitcher, while durable, can scratch over time with heavy use. The blades are sharp, so handling needs caution during cleaning, though the tamper aids safely. A few reviews mentioned the lid latch feels loose at first, but it secures well. It's not as quiet as high-end models for continuous use, and the cord is short for some counters. So, should you buy the Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro? Absolutely, if you want a smart, powerful blender for family smoothies and more that fits everyday needs. It's perfect for beginners or busy cooks who need versatility without complexity. The auto-adjust tech, easy cleanup, and value make it a great choice. Whether you're blending breakfast or desserts, this machine delivers. Before I wrap up, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more reviews. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, click the Amazon link in the description for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. It's an affiliate link, so your purchase supports the channel at no extra cost. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, please like, share, or subscribe. Let me know in the comments what kitchen gear you want to see next. Keep blending great drinks, and I'll see you in the next video.